The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Spider S&P 500 ETF Trust with the ticker symbol SPY. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So guys, the Vee Trades membership will be out soon. It's going to be a Discord chat where I'll do daily updates for the SPY, maybe some membership private videos and stuff like that. But I'll give you guys more information as the time goes on. And also, if you are new here, I do weekly updates on the SPY every Sunday. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So let's take a look at this chart for SPY. Made a new low of its downtrend, meaning this is the lowest point it has been this entire year. Looks like we closed right on the low on Friday. So looks like if this was the candle on Monday or Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday could have been a lot more selling. Could have dropped a lot more. So it looks like they closed the market right before it was about to drop a lot more. We did get a breakout of this previous low back here in June. So let's take a look at the chart, see what we can find. So it looks like there is this micro downtrend channel in play now. Prices are inside of it very nicely. So this is definitely something we need to keep an eye on. Prices were in a micro range for about a week right over here. So we could have went sideways, but we just saw the breakout pretty early. You can see that usually we get these nice breakouts when the market goes in these miniature ranges. So this is another miniature range right here. So finally had the breakout. Prices did come back to test it. You can see this wick right here. This candle bar on Friday opened on the breakout on the low side. We came back, tested it, sold off. So looks like we're going to be seeing low prices. We are definitely overextended from the EMA by a lot. So a pullback is gonna happen eventually. I just don't know when. Maybe when we reach these lower price targets. There is this macro downtrend channel in play. Looks like we got 3 touches on the resistance side. Looks like we could be coming back down to the support, because that's what prices do. We move from support and resistance, resistance, coming back to support, and the target is right around the 340 level. So maybe then we will see that pullback to the EMA, but we could see it before too. But as right now, it looks like we're still going in this wide downtrend channel. Looks like it's targeting that 340 level. And if I do a measured move from the previous impulse down, which would be this one right here, the target is a little bit lower. It's right around the 333 level. So 333. What are the chances of that? So it looks like measure move is lower. The support side of this channel is lower. Looks like we're dropping pretty quickly. This is an aggressive move down, so we could be seeing those targets fairly soon, maybe sometime this month. There is this previous downtrend channel right here that has played out, so something to keep an eye on. So this is this orange channel right here. We had a break of it, a few legs down to a new low. So normally this would mark the end of a downtrend and we would resume the uptrend, but if this wider yellow channel is in play, then we're still going to be going down. So I'm not sure yet which ones traders want to focus on. It could be both, just don't know. So let's just stick with the bias, which is still down. So I'll be looking for lower price targets. So that's pretty much all I have for the SPY on the daily chart. We just broke that low of the downtrend very recently. This is the lowest point in the entire year. Looking for lower price targets still, because of this wide downtrend channel could be possibly in play. We are in this very slim aggressive downtrend channel that looks like it's holding down prices nicely and it's making prices drop quickly. The next target is 340 level. After that is the 333 level. So that's everything I have on the daily chart. We can go and wrap it up on the weekly chart. And here we have the weekly chart for the SPY. I remember I was saying that 350 target was going to be hit one day, and it looks like we're getting very close to it. I'm going to remove that. Still below the weekly EMA, so nothing bullish as right now. Every time we get above that EMA, it's short-lived. We just fall right through it again. So it's a very bearish chart still. Looking for low price targets. You can see that we had 2 legs down right over here, which will make 1 large leg. And it looks like we're in the formation of the second large leg because the market moves in 2s. And this target is right around the 315 level. So this could possibly be the bottom for the SPY, because it is 2 large legs down. So that could be a bottom. We'll have to wait and see if prices stop and reverse, or we just break it and continue lower. If I do a Fibonacci retracement from the lows of 2020 to the highs of 2022, you can see it coincides with the 618 retracement, which is the golden ratio. So it's a very good area on the chart where traders are looking for a pullback to end. So the 618 coincides with that 2 legs down. And also from 2009, when the uptrend started, if I do a trend line or make a channel, you can see it also coincides with the support side. So it's going to make this yellow. So this is an uptrend channels, but that's been working for more than a decade now. Usually, like I said before, in channels we pull back to support and resistance. And since if this high point is at resistance, the next support is right over here. Is at the 307 level, which is very close to that 618 and that 2 legs down. So I believe sometime next year, looks like second quarter of next year could be the potential bottom. I don't know for sure, but it looks like it could be on the chart. I don't think anywhere right now this looks like the bottom. It kind of looks like we're in just a random area on the chart. So we could get a bounce, but I'm not going to say it's a bottom until I see confirmation. But I think there's a more likelihood that right over here on the chart will be in the bottom. And another thing is that we're seeing a very large move down versus previous pullbacks in the chart. There was this major sell-off back here in 2020. This was a 35% retracement. Right now we have only done a 25%. So to get to a 35% retracement, that would take us down again very close to the 311 level. So right near the 310, 311 level could be a bottom. And also, whenever we have a trend and it's going on for such a long time, which is this one, we're going to be seeing bigger and larger pullbacks because the market needs to reset. So you see in the past, if I zoom in on the chart, these pullbacks weren't that large. You know, it looks pretty nice. We're very close to that EMA. Now we're kind of getting exaggerated from the EMA. So we're starting to see much bigger pullbacks take place. So as right now, looking for low price targets, looks like they want to drop the market down quite a bit. Maybe they even break this channel and it's like not even existent. Maybe we just break and I'll go all the way down. That's another possibility. I think it's very low right now. Looks like they do want to keep this market up. Still a uptrend in my eyes. Let me go and remove this. Let's do a Fibonacci retracement from the lows of 2009 to the highs right here. And you can see that coincides with the 382. So sometimes we even reach the 50% or even the 618 retracement before resumption with the trend. So as right now, it looks like we're just seeing a pullback in the macro scale. I can show you guys that on the monthly chart just real quick. So these are all the candle bars in this entire bull market. Let me go ahead and remove the drawings. So you can see going up for the most part, we saw a overextension. Now we're seeing a nice drop back down to the mean. So if I connect the swings, you can see that every time we come to the support side of the trend line, we see a bounce several times. Bounce right here, bounce right here, bounce back here in 2020. It stopped the market from crashing all the way down. Saw a massive impulse up. If this is the highs of the channel, we should be going back down to the lows of the channel, which is market structure in the form of 2 legs, which will take us right to here. This is 1 leg down, and this is the second leg down, and it's right around the 309 level, 310 level, which is very close to the support side of this channel. So looks like just a pullback in my eyes, but we'll have to wait and see. But that's pretty much everything I have for the SPY. Just for next week, let's see if we get a bounce. If not, we're going to just continue to drop down to that 340 target, maybe then the 333 target, and then eventually sometime in late Q1, Q2, we're going to see that 311 target hit. It definitely looks likely This definitely does not look like a bottom. I think it's all about probabilities. Most likely, with the high certainty, we're going to be continuing lower until these targets are met. So I'll give you guys an update next week. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time and bye.